So this is an unusual model. It's not plastic. It is made by the Dancing Wings Hobby, and this is the Wright Flyer 1. That's their code, I guess. And it's got some very nice, I guess, laser etched diagram here of the original Wright Flyer. Comes in this very nice box, made out of wood, and it's got these nice little handles on here. And we're going to have a look and see what's inside. So already you can see here we've got this is just a nail file here for sanding, and they feel like they're rougher on this side and smoother on that side. It comes with some string, I guess, for rigging, and then something to keep it dry. So let's have a look here and see if we can get this tape off. So they're all taped together. And these parts are all made out of, looks like plywood. As you can see here, the edge is just thin plies put together. And they're all numbered and laser cut, and it's beautifully done with tiny little things holding them in. Tiny little pieces. You can just see one there. They're very easy to break off, and as you can see, the parts already wanted to come off. So these are all the original, design, and you can see here, there's our tail, and there's our propeller. This looks like this is our the chains. I might replace those. We've got three other propellers here, and then the struts, everything holding it together. Not sure what these are for. I'll have to look and see. That looks like the pilot, and you're going to build him up. Yeah, because there's different parts of him there. And look at that. That is beautiful. Beautifully laser cut. These are our wing braces. We've got plenty of them. Lots and lots of them. Look at that. And then this looks like a stand. That'll come off and be put on there so you can get it in the flying position if you wanted to. So let's have a look at our instructions here. It's one sheet, double-sided, and this is for the 1903 Wright Flyer. So it does take you out step by step. It shows you how to build them together and how to line them up. And we're going to start to build our frame out here. So this is for the wing, and you can see they're showing you how to line them up as these pieces are all glued together. Those then come together, and it's all built up from there. We start to put our ribs on there, and they're unnumbered, it looks like, probably because they're all the same. Except for the ones at the wingtip, which are numbered 1 and 2, and same for the other side. And then we're going to do the leading edge and trailing edge. I guess that was the trailing edge we were working on. And we're going to do top and bottom wings. And it gives you all the instructions here. And we've got our wingtip there. I've got a little slot there, and we mount them with these rods there. So we're trying to line these up. And we've got our tail going on there, and the sled. That's all glued together. And And it says just to glue it with a quick drying glue, so probably super glue. Then we've got our propeller, drive chain. It would be nice if you can get a real chain in there. And then build the propellers. And then these are the mounting brackets for the propellers. That's how to put the pilot together. And here's our vertical tail. We've got this is supposed to look like an engine. It's a little disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, then we mount the propeller bracket to the fuselage, and it shows you how to do that here. And then the same thing for the vertical tail. And then this is for our sled. And then shows you the engine and pilots. I would probably just leave the pilot off because it just looks dismal. And then you've got your rigging. And rigging is all done, shows you how to do it there. And then same with the other one, and then same with the yellow, and it tells you how to do it there. So all in all, that'll be a fun kit to build. I like the fact that it's made out of wood. I wish they'd included some plastic parts there for the engine and maybe the chain, but the wing structure is going to be beautiful.